Welcome to another episode of our beach adventures. This time Dubrovnik. First, we're exploring Copacabana Beach. This beautiful spot offers crystal clear waters that sparkle under the sun, and instead of sand, you'll find smooth pebble rocks that give the shore a unique charm. It's perfect for families, with a fun playground right in the sea for children to enjoy. If you're feeling hungry, there's a cozy coffee spot and a restaurant nearby. Our next stop is the luxurious Coral Beach, located just a bay away from Copacabana Beach, here in Dubrovnik. This beach is known for its stunning crystal clear green waters and offers a breathtaking view of Daxa Island right from the shore. What makes Coral Beach even more special is the lively atmosphere. There's a DJ playing great music, setting the perfect vibe while you relax and soak up the sun. It's a beach experience you definitely don't want to miss. If you're lucky, you may even catch the sunset. Our next stop is the beautiful St. Jacobs Beach, and getting here is part of the adventure. There are exactly 166 stairs to make your way down. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by the stunning sea with all shades of green. If you're up for some exploration, you can rent a kayak and paddle along the nearby rocky shores. And to top it all off, you'll have a breathtaking view of Dubrovnik's iconic castle right from the beach. It's truly a hidden gem. Now we're at Lapad Beach, a local favorite and one of the cleanest seas around. This beach is perfect for families, with a playground on the water and a big red slide at the entrance for both kids and adults to enjoy. It has two beaches, and if you prefer not to lie on the stones, there's a stone platform in the middle where you can relax. Plus, there's a nice restaurant with a rich menu, making it a great spot to grab a meal after your swim. One of the best experiences you can have in Dubrovnik is the famous three-island boat tour, and it's truly a must-do. We started our adventure by sightseeing at Copacabana Beach, enjoying the beautiful views, then passing by the luxurious Coral Beach, and sailing around the scenic Lapad Beach and Bay. Next, we made our way to the rocky island where the Grbenai Lighthouse stands tall, a striking landmark surrounded by the open sea. After a thrilling high-speed ride, we reached Kolosep Island, which is home to the incredible Blue Cave. With its narrow entrance, it's an exciting challenge to enter, but once inside, you're rewarded with the serene beauty of nature's gifts. Just north of Kolosep, you'll find three more spectacular spots known as the Green Caves. They're equally amazing and definitely worth exploring. And don't forget to bring some bread along for our friendly fish who love a little treat during your visit.